Hey, and welcome to Hanari Translates. Finally, once and for all, you will leave all your verb tenses behind and jump into the next level that you've been working on for maybe so long. If you're watching this video, it means that you are already facing challenges when it comes to verb tenses. You might feel that it's embarrassing to make mistakes when speaking, especially if you have already learned the rules, but you rarely apply them when speaking or writing. You might be the student who got bored with the traditional way of teaching grammar and would like something simpler and straightforward. In any case, I have created the Verb Tenses Guide, which is suitable for beginner to upper intermediate level, and it's there to help you learn verb tenses in an easy way, and not only that, but to apply what you are learning in speaking and writing, so to use the grammar in real life. As you can see here, for the present simple tense, and as it's the case for all the 8 tenses, you will learn the usages, how to form the tense in a visual way, exceptions, if any, keywords as well to help you spot when to use the tense, and then we have some common mistakes. And not only that, but each tense has 3 activities. The first one is to make sure that you have learned the correct form and to know how to apply it. Then we have the second one here, and the third that are speaking and writing activities. So for example, for the present simple tense here, number 2 is to choose a close friend and share with them what you usually do on the weekend. This, can help you to use the tense in your daily life, to talk using it. As for activity 3 is to write a journal about the day's events and thought. Writing is considered active learning and can really help you to practice. It's an effective way to practice whatever you learn. Okay, Hanadi, how can I correct my answers? For each first activity of each tense, you can refer to page 31 for the answer key. As for activity 2 and 3 for the speaking and writing, you will get back to them in a few days to make any necessary changes and to evaluate your progress. You will be amazed by how you can correct your mistakes, if any, which can ensure that you have understood the lesson. You will also have a list of the irregular verbs in English. It is 5 pages long. Same thing here goes with the present continuous, the usages, the form in a visual way, the keywords, and if you want to continue this tense with its activities and all the other tenses, get the irregular verbs, the answer key, then go to the link in the first comment to get it, and you can also find it in the link in my bio on Instagram, and enjoy it.